Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. I barely even had him hooked. I think. I don't know. That's solid for a first Cuyahoga River fish, dude. Let's see. Got him in the head.
Oh, really?
Yeah. First fish on the spinner bait. On the Booyah swimmer bait. Spinner bait right there. Super solid. I literally let it hit the bottom.
Alright. Sure way to make this guy look big.
Nice.
Oh, he's ready.
Alright.
Oh. There you go. Oh, he's fine.
Like he catches bass too?
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
No, it's not.
That's solid though. It's a fish. It's better than that last one.
Yeah.
Oh, you got me. I'm gonna switch. You got me.
He's angry. Dude,
Oh, he's really fighting, dude.
he thinks fight hard. Heck yeah.
That's a solid one.
Oh, yeah. Okay, buddy. Yeah, you're getting bigger.
Heck yeah.
That's not bad at all.
No, that's a solid. That's solid for sure.
So, take that picture.
Yep. He told you off.
That thing was angry.
That's like I can't tell how deep it is right here. Oh, you broke it off?
We'll get a little more fluoro.
Yeah, sure.
That's just freaks out my leader, not.
Oh! Oh my gosh, dude.
Right on that sand?
Dude, I was trying to see how deep the water was. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, this dude's going off.
He looks very alive. This will be easier to refi than having him on the ground.
Well, got another one, a little small one. I literally just tossed it right in front of me just to see how deep that water was. We were trying to debate if we're gonna cross or not, and this little guy just came up and destroyed it. See you later. See you later, Stinky. Oh, there's something right here. A bunch of debris just waked right here underneath this like tree. So we can get under that. Ooh, ooh. Oh, guys, we just had a huge one. We just had a huge one following. Oh my gosh, he was a monster. He was every bit of 3 pounds. He was every bit of 3 pounds. He was interested too. Let's try that again. Let's try to get it. I'm trying to cast like right in here. Oh, he had it. Dude, I'm sight fishing this 3-pounder right now, and look at this crap. He's tried to get it like 3 times. Yeah. He's right underneath this tree.
Really? A 3-pounder?
He looks massive in the water. He's like right by this log. Watch. See all that dirt? That's from him. Oh! Got him! Got him! I got him!
Oh, it's a huge pike. Holy crap.
Oh, get out of there! Get out of there!
That is a big pike.
What am I gonna do? It's a 6-pound line. Okay, guys, I just hooked a massive pike.
What do you want me to do?
Just give me emotional support. Oh. You think I can pick him up? Oh my gosh, my line! I can feel it's gonna break. It's really tight. Oh crap!
That is a huge pike. I mean, if he doesn't shake, I feel like you could get him up here.
Freak. Oh, dude, it feels so tight.
Really?
Okay. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Right here, in my coat pocket, in my side pocket, there's grabbers. I want you to reach down.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to pull him up. You just try to hook his mouth. And don't fall in. He's tired out right now.
Where are you coming up?
Straight up. Oh, he snapped it. Oh. No. He shook. Dang it.
That was a big pike.
Crap. Snapped it.
Damn.
Snapped it clean. Look at this, guys.
He just did one shake.
Snapped it clean.
That was a fat fish if he just broke your line.
I mean, he's only 6 pounds.
Oh, put that back.
He was probably every bit of, 4 pounds maybe.
Oh.
Dang it, dude. The one time I don't bring stinking 10-pound fluoro with braid.
That's 10 pounds.
Crap, dude.
Still fighting. Oh, it's called
Crap, man.
That's what we get for fishing these remote locations.
Like literally, if we were down there, I would have had him.
Yeah.
Like. And the bad part is, I didn't even have him high enough to even he wasn't even close to being high enough to grab him. You know what I mean? Oh! Heck yeah! Is that a largie? Pull him up with your 10-pound line, pal.
Oh, it is. That's a big one.
Dave just sight fished us a smallmouth. You got 10 pound, you better just tire him out first. Yeah. The boat flip. Oh yeah. That's a big one, dude. That's a largemouth, right?
I don't know.
Looks kind of like a, that's a spotted maybe. Oh my gosh, heck yeah.
Is it a largemouth?
It's either a largemouth or a spotty.
Yeah. That's a good fish.
Dude, that's a solid fish.
Okay. Take my picture.
Yeah. Let me cut this real quick.
I think this is the one you're looking at.
See you later, Stinky. Yeah, try not to hit him with that. Hit him on that log. Yeah, just go. Yeah, straight out. There you go.
I watched him follow it. I was like, oh, he's gonna hit it.
Dang it, dude.
That pike was giant. That
Dude.
still counts as a catch in my book.
I wanted to get a picture with him, dude. That would have been so sick. My first official one. Got one? Oh my gosh, you're a beast, dude. Gabe's on another one. I'm out here lollygagging around. Good one? Oh, that's a mondo. Oh my gosh, that's huge. That's the biggest one.
Holy crap.
Dude, yeah. That's the biggest one of the day, for sure. Take your time. Yeah, let him run. Well, do what you gotta do. Oh my, that's a, dude.
There's some good fish in here.
Dude, that's a mondo. Oh my gosh, that's a mondo. I have my board too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we can check and see if it's official high.
He's 19, but
I don't know, dude. He's a long boy.
yeah, he might be.
You know, come towards me. I ain't gonna help you. Oh,
He's got a lot of fight.
he's trying to come towards me. You got him hooked really good.
Yeah.
So unless he breaks you off, you're good. There you go. There you go. That's a long fish, dude.
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, I gotta get a picture.
Yeah, get a bunch for this one.
Yeah.
Let me get the,
Dude, you are killing it.
let me get the hook out.
I can't catch crap. That's a tank.
That's huge.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, get that board out. That is pretty long now that he's out of the water.
Dude, that's a mondo for sure.
That's sweet.
All right. Oh, it's a big one, dude. I think it's longer. 17.
17.
17,
Nice.
perfect.
This is a really big fish. Okay, get on this one, dude.
Yep.